A very warm welcome to you all there in my new session of mathematics of class 10th, and the chapter is going on coordinate geometry. So students, we are studying the exercise 7.3. In this exercise 7.1, I came with the question number 3. Question number 1 we have discussed. Question number 2 is very easy to find the distance between 2 points were given by using the formula you can apply and you can find the distance between those 2 points. Now here it is a little bit different from those first and second question based on the distance formula, but a slightly different. That difference we have to understand, then it is easy to find the solution of this question. Given in this question, determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. हमें क्या डिसाइड करना है? हमें ये डिसाइड करना है कि ये जो पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं that 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 ये कैसे पॉइंट्स हैं? कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स हैं. So to determine these points are collinear, what we have to do? First, let us understand. So, in the solution of this question, so let A means coordinate of A is 1, 5, B coordinate of B is 2, 3 and C which is -2, -11. These points, these are the points A, B and C, and they are 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are the coordinates of these points, right? So after taking these points, we should find the distance between these three. So the first will be AB, second we can find BC and third we can find AC. So to find the measure of AB, let us find first part, measure of AB. So to find the measure of AB, so in this A is 1, 5 means this is x1 and y1 we have taken, and the second point B whose coordinates are 2, 3 and these points are x2, y2, right children? Why we have taken these? Because after taking this x1, y1 and x2, y2, we can find the distance between these 2 points. We can, because we have the formula in terms of x1, y1 and x2, y2, right? So the distance between AB equals to under root the same formula, distance formula we have to use, that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. ठीक है, अभी हमने जैसे कि पहले ही ले लिया है x1 is 1, y1 is 5, x2 is 2, y2 is 3. So to find out, substitute these values x1, y1, x2, y2 in this, we can get the distance between the points AB. x1, x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 5 whole square. So under root x1 2 minus 1 which is 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 which is -2 whole square. So under root 1 plus 2 2s are 4 which is under root 5. It is the measure of AB. Similarly, let us find out the measure of BC. So to find the measure of BC, B, the coordinate of B is 2, 3 this we are taking as x1 and y1, and C coordinates are C's are -2, -11, and say these coordinates are x2, y2. So let us find the distance between these 2 points BC. So similarly, by using the formula BC, अभी आप ये कंफ्यूज मत रहिएगा कि आप किसी को भी x1, y1, x2, y2 ले सकते हो, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन यू. अगर आप इसको x1, y1 लेते हैं तो ये x2, y2 हो जाएगा. फॉर्मूला के अकॉर्डिंग डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज 2 पॉइंट्स विल कम ऑलवेज सेम. उसके लिए बिल्कुल भी कंफ्यूजन आपको रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. चलो अगेन सब्सटीट्यूट द फॉर्मूला x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute these values. x2 is -2 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is -11 minus y1 is 3 whole square. Find the square of these. It is -2 which is -4 whole square plus -11 -3 which is -14 whole square. Find the square of these. 4 4 are 16 plus 14 into 14. 14 into 14 is 196. 14 square, that is plus 196. Now add this. You will get under root 6 plus 6 is 12. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got under root 212. So let us factorize and find the square root of it. Just check. 2, this can be written as by 4 when you divide. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are. So it can be written as 2 under root 53. The square root of this is 2, square root of 4 is 2, and under root 53, 4 5s are 20 and 4 3s are 12, right? After that we have to find out the measure of AC also. So let us find the measure of AC. To find the measure of AC, we have to take, to find the measure of AC, we are going to take point A, which is x1 y1, and point C, which is -2 -11, that is x2 y2, right? So let us find the measure of AC. Is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now x2 is -2 minus x1 is 1 plus y2 is -11 minus y1 is 5. Okay, let us find. -2 minus 1 is -3 whole square plus -11 minus 5 is -16 whole square. So find the square and take the square root of these. So 3 3s are 9 plus 16 square. 16 square is 256. Let us find sum of these. 56 plus 4 is 260 and plus 5 265. So factorize it to find the square root by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are, means it cannot be factorized, it can be written as same 256. So after getting the measure of AC, BC, so what is the clear? Now we got the measure of AB was root 5. What was the measure of AB? Root 5. So we got the solution. Therefore measure of AB was under root 5. Measure of BC was 2 under root 53. And measure of AC is under root 265. So when you are getting the solution of this, when you are adding, means these points can be said as collinears if the sum of two distance will be equals to the third one. And here what we are observing that after finding the values of AB, BC and AC, we got AB is root 5, BC is 2 root 53 and AC is 265. So for being these 3 points are collinear, there should be condition. What are the conditions? If AB plus BC equals to AC, or BC plus AC equals to AB, or AB plus AC equals to BC. If these conditions are following after getting these distances, then you can say that AB, A, B and C are collinears. But the students, here from the values of AB, BC and AC, we are not getting that these conditions. Therefore if you compare this is, so you will get AB plus BC is not equals to AC. Since they are not equal with AC, therefore the points A, B and C are not collinear. Right? Conditions clear the concept? Since the sum of these two measures is not equals to the sum of the that is not equal to the measure of the third one, therefore these points are not collinear. Understood? Let's see the question number 4. In this it is given, check whether the points 5, minus 2, 6, 4 and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Right? So to check that these are the vertices of an isosceles triangle, we should find the measures of each side of this triangle. So let point A, whose coordinates are 5, 2, B, its coordinates are 6, 4 and point C, its coordinates are 7, minus 2. Means we have taken A, B and C. These are the points of these coordinates, right? So let us find out the measure of the sides of this triangle. So find the measure of AB. So to find the measure of AB, A is 5, comma minus 2, and this we should take x1 comma y1, and the second point B whose coordinates are 6 4, and let us suppose that this is x2 comma y2, right? After taking these points, let us find out the measure of AB, means the distance between the point A and B. So AB is equals to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So dear children, here we have taken x1 minus x2 whole square. इसके पहले हम क्या लेते थे फॉर्मूला, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. तो बच्चों इसमें कंफ्यूज बिल्कुल भी मत रहिएगा, both the formulas will gives you the same answer. This we have read in the part of remark after getting the distance formula. Distance formula का सेशन देखेंगे. Just below the distance formula I explained that both the formulas are same. So let us substitute the values and find the distance between these points A, B. So under root x1 is 5 minus x2 is 6 whole square plus y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is 4 whole square. Okay, therefore 5 minus 6 is minus 1 whole square, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square. Therefore we will get square of minus 1 is 1 plus square of 6 is 36. So we got the measure of AB is under root 37. After getting the measure of AB is root 37, let us find out the measure of BC also. Okay, to find measure of BC, coordinate of B are 6 4 and C coordinate of C are 7 comma minus 2. Say this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So let us find the distance between BC. Therefore BC equals to under root, same formula you can use, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now x1 is 6 minus x2 is 7 plus y1 is 4 minus y2 is minus 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So we will get minus 1 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square, that is equals to 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 6 and square of 6 is 36, which is under root 37. Under root 37. Now the measure of BC also we got 37. AB was under root 37 and the measure of BC is also under root 37. Okay, as two sides, the measure of two sides you got equal. Triangle के दो sides हमें equal मिल गए. So on the basis of this you can say it is an isosceles triangle. If you want to confirm about the third side, तो थर्ड साइड को भी फाइंड कर लेते हैं. थर्ड साइड फाइंड करने के बाद देखते हैं इफ इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू दीज टू साइड्स, सो इट विल बी एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. बट लेट अस सी व्हाट विल हैपन. वी हैव टू टेक द पॉइंट ए एंड सी नाउ, means measure of the line segment AC. So to find the measure of AC, to find the measure of AC, A is 5 minus 2 and C is 7 minus 2. ओके, सो इस पॉइंट को हम क्या सपोज करते हैं, x1 y1 और इसको x2 y2 सपोज कर लेते हैं, राइट। चल अभी AC का मेजर फाइंड करते हैं विद द सेम फॉर्मूला। सो AC इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट फॉर्मूला x1 माइनस x2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 माइनस y2 होल स्क्वायर। सो x1 is 5 minus x2 is 7 whole square plus y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is minus of minus 2 whole square. So here we are getting 5 minus 7 is minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 that is 0 whole square means 0. So we are getting square root 4 that is 2. So measure of AC you got 2, right? So therefore after getting the measure of the sides, we observe that the measure of two sides, since AB is equals to under root 37, BC is also is equals to under root 37 and AC is equals to, चुप रहो, 2. AC is equals to 2. So what we have to do, what we are getting, that AB is equals to BC, means two sides of these triangles are equal. If the measure of two sides are equal, therefore you can say that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Right children, any problem? You can prove? Very good. Okay, dear students, see the question number 7. In this it is given, find a point on x axis. हमें x axis का एक कोई point find करना है, which is condition क्या दिया है, that point is equidistant from the points 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. So let us suppose that these points, it is the coordinate of point A, 2, minus 5 it is A and B is minus 2, 9. These two points are equidistant from the point P. तो बच्चों, as this point P lies on x axis, it is given a point on x axis. So आपको ये याद होगा कि x axis के किसी भी पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट किस टाइप का होता है. So the type of coordinates of a point on x axis is always x, 0 means y की वैल्यू हमेशा वहां पे क्या होती है, 0 होती है. क्यों होती है? और ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस, इसी के बेस पे आप हमेशा इक्वेशन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस दैट इज इक्वल्स टू वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 0 यू आर सेइंग. एक्स एक्सिस का इक्वेशन आप क्या बताते हैं, y इज इक्वल्स टू 0. क्यों बताते हैं? क्योंकि वहां पे y की वैल्यू क्या मिलती है आपको, 0 मिलती है, राइट. सो द coordinates of a point on x axis is always is this form x, 0. चलो, now let us find out, as these points A and B are equidistant from point P, therefore PA is equals to PB. Now to find the distance between these PA and PB, let us suppose that this point, the coordinate of this point x, 0 is x1, y1. Coordinates of A 2, minus 5 is x2, y2. जब हम PA का मेजर फाइंड करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग द मेजर दैट टू गेट द मेजर ऑफ पी बी, इसको हम x2 y2 सपोज कर लेंगे, ठीक है. सो सिंस इट इज गिवन दैट दिस पॉइंट P is equidistant from A and B, therefore PA equals to PB. So what you can say, PA square equals to PB square, ठीक है. Now substitute the value. It is square, so no need to write down the square root. x1 is x minus x2 is 2 whole square plus y1 is 0 minus plus y2 is minus 5, so minus plus 5 equals to, अभी pb का मेजर फाइंड करते हैं. so x minus plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. सो इट इज ए विद द हेल्प ऑफ a minus b whole square, this can be written as x square minus 4x plus 4 plus square of 5 is 25 equals to, with the help of this a plus b whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4 plus square of 9 is minus 9 is 81, right. चलो अभी सॉल्व करते हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर इज कैंसल्ड, 4 is also cancelled. Now let us simplify. Minus 4 is left here, this you transpose this side, minus 4x equals to 81 minus 25. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. This can be written as minus 8x is equals to, subtract it, 11 minus 5 is 6 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Therefore x is equals to minus 56 upon 8. 8 7s are 56, means the value of x is minus 7, right. After getting the value of x, you can say that the coordinate of that point is minus 7 comma 0. So our required point came which lies on x-axis is minus 7 comma 0, right. Any confusion? Now see the question number 8. In this question number 8, it is given that find the value of y for which the distance between the points P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10 unit. Means there are 2 points P and Q whose coordinates are given and the distance between these 2 points is also given, which is 10 unit. तो इस अननोन नंबर y की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी है. पहले तो क्वेश्चन समझ में आया कि नहीं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, दिस इज द पॉइंट P. Say this P is 2 comma minus 3, say this is x1 y1 and the coordinates of point Q are 10 y, say this is x2 comma y2, ठीक है. अभी one more thing is given, what? The distance between these 2 points are 10. Therefore PQ is equals to 10 unit. If PQ is equals to 10 unit, so we have to find out the value of this y. चलो, since this PQ is equals to 10, therefore PQ square is equals to 10 square. So you can say that PQ square is equals to 100. ठीक है. अभी हम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं. सिंस इट इज पी क्यू स्क्वायर, तो हमें अंडर रूट्स लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है. सो नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज x1 माइनस x2 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 माइनस y2 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 100. अभी हम x1 y1 x2 y2 की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं. x1 is 2 minus x2 is 10 whole square plus y1 is minus 3 minus y2 is y whole square equals to 100. कोई प्रॉब्लम टिल हियर? इट्स नॉट वेरी गुड. अभी हम इसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे बाय द फॉर्मूला वट एवर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. 2 minus 10 which is equals to minus 8 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square, it can be written as minus common किया 3 plus y whole square equals to 100. Right children? So it is square of this. Now this can be written as 64 plus 3 plus y whole square equals to 100. अब क्वेश्चन ये राइज होता है, what is arising the question? This minus becomes plus because of this square. ठीक है. So अभी इस ब्रैकेट को हम ओपन करेंगे with the help of a plus b whole square. So it can be written as 64 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6y plus y square equals to 100. राइट? इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 64 प्लस 9 इक्वल्स टू 73 plus y square plus 6y equals to 100. Now we got a quadratic equation which can be written as y square plus 6y equals to 100 minus 73. So you got y square plus 6y minus 27 equals to 0. This 100 minus 73 is 27. Transpose to the left side, it is minus 27. ठीक है. अभी इसको फैक्टराइज करते हैं by splitting middle term. You can write it y square plus 27 is 9 3s are plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equals to 0. So y plus 9 minus 3 y plus 9. So its factors are y plus 3 plus 9 and y minus 3 equals to 0. So the value of y came, y can be minus 9 or it can be 3. It's our required answer. Y can be minus 9 and y can be plus 3 also. Right? Okay. Okay. See the question number 9. If q whose coordinates are 0, 1. If this point q is equidistant from point p whose coordinates are 5, minus 3 and the point r whose coordinates are x, 6, then find the value of x. Okay. After getting the value of x, also find the distances qr and pr. ठीक है. तो पहले तो x की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं. As what is given, this point q, this point is q whose coordinates are 0, 1. It is equidistant from point p whose coordinates are 5, minus 3 and from r whose coordinates are x, 6. ठीक है. So what we have? We have PQ is equals to QR because Q is equidistance from point P and R. Right? चलो. So since QP equals to QR which is given in the question, that Q is equidistant from P and R. So QP is equals to QR. Therefore square of this QP square equals to QR square. बेटा स्क्वायर क्यों करते हैं? स्क्वायर इसलिए करते हैं so we do not require the under root, right? चलो, now write the value of QP. QP x1 minus x2 whole square means 0 minus 5 whole square plus 1 minus minus plus 3 whole square. 1 minus and this is minus minus plus 3 whole square. Similarly QR square. So QR means 0 comma x minus x whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, x की वैल्यू हमें मिल जाएगी ऑटोमेटिकली. So it is 25, 5 5 are 25 plus this is 4 square is 16 equal to it is x square and this is minus 5 whole square, that is 25. This 25 is cancelled. So x square is equals to 16. So x is equals to plus minus 4 square root of 16 means the value of x can be plus 4 or it can be minus 4. So our required answer, this r is plus minus 4 comma 6 means this is plus minus 4 comma 6. Now after getting the value of x, चलो सपोज करो हम प्लस लेते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है. So what we are taking, this is plus 4 and 6. So after taking the value of plus 4, we need to find the distances of QR and PR. QR की distance find करनी है और PR की distance find करनी है. So therefore QR is equals to under root QR 0 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. So it is under root 16 plus 25, that is equals to under root 41. This is the measure of QR. Similarly we can find the measure of PR. PR की भी मेजर फाइंड कर देते हैं. PR is equals to under root 5 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square. So it can be written as 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 square is 1 plus this is 9, 9 square is 81 means it is under root 82, the measure of PR. Okay. So one thing more, it is the value of QR and PR if the value of x is plus 4. अभी हम x की वैल्यू माइनस 4 भी लेते हैं तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. Now we have taken the value of x is minus 4. So let us see what will happen. Then find the value of QR under root x1 minus x2 means 5 plus 4 whole square. Plus क्यों हुआ? Because minus minus plus and minus 3 minus 6 whole square. So it is 9 plus 9, 9 9 is 81 minus 9, 9 9 is 81 plus 81, that is equals to which is 9 under root 2, right? It is the value of QR. So find the measure of PR also. This is 9 under root 2. तो PR की मेजर फाइंड करते हैं. Sorry, this was the PR. Now we have to find out the measure of QR. QR 0 minus minus plus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square, that is square root 16 plus 25, which is under root 41. So after getting the value of x on the condition, we got these distances QR and PR. There are two values of QR and PR because of the two value of x, plus 4 and minus 4, right?